Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Racing Factory version 1, and this is from Kaido House Mini GT number 128. And as you can see, this is basically one of the latest ones, which is the R34 Kaido Racing version 1 with the new body kit colored in pink, as you can see right here. That is the front of the box, pretty much simple, similar to the police version that we've done a review of. The white background right here, the pink car presented right there. Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Racing version 1, Kaido House Mini GT. Here's the side of the box. Kaido House Mini GT, you have your design right here, which is number 0, I think. Same design as the hood, as what's on the hood basically. Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Racing version 1 factory. Designed in Los Angeles by Jun Imai, Kaido House right there. And then you have some carbon design, Kaido House car culture for all scales. And over on this side, Kaido House right there. Moving towards the bottom of the box right here, ages 14 and up. You have your warnings, blah blah blah, your socials, the barcode right here if you do need so, TSM model right here, licensing, and of course Nissan Motor Corporation licensing right there. Kaido House car culture for all skills. So let's go ahead and open this up. So on this design, you have the sort of like a sideway version of that design just now, with the big number 0 right there, in white, which is interesting. It says Kaido House Mini GT, same thing and same thing. So let's take the car outside of the the blister. Done a shorts video of this, so most probably many of you already knew that I'm gonna review this by now. So here it is, the Nissan GTR R34 Kaido House in pink right here, which looks gorgeous. Love the color, love the pink texture, the rims as well. This overall looks pretty great. Let's put it on the turntable. So this is the Nissan GTR R34 Kaido House, and basically this is obviously the Skyline Kaido Racing Factory version 1. So there is a regular version that was released before, where it had a different body kit. That was the Nissan GTR R34. You might remember the one of the first ones that I've done a review of, the ready colored in sort of like a green color, and then after that there was the Hornet, which is a collaboration between Kaido House and Tamiya, where they actually released that with the regular body kit, just the version 1 body kit. This is more to like the version 2 sort of body kit, where it's more curved compared to have the body kit having more like intakes and holes here and there. So this one's more to the curved version right here, which looks great. So I really do like the paint color right here that they used, the rims, the rim options, the color of the rims, the paint like pattern, and the color, like the pink and white, overall looks great, and I really do like that. So yeah, overall looks pretty great. Let's take a closer look at it right here. So here is the Nissan GTR R34 colored in pink, and as you can see right here, you do have your rear tires right here, which have 5-spoke, sort of like a matte gray sort of 5-spoke rims. So obviously you do have your inner and outer barrel, as you can see right here, which is colored in sort of that dark gray as well. The tire, the rubber tires here are, what is that? Okay, I'm not entirely sure. They're in Japanese, so I'm not entirely sure what does that mean, but I'm not gonna read it. I don't know what sponsor here too. Is it a sponsor or supposed to be design? I think it's more to a design, I guess. Just neat, colored in white. You have some more white stripes right here. Kaido house. You have that one stripe right there, number 0, with some design here and there. You do have your side window right here, which looks great. You have your pink plastic side mirror right here, which is great, I guess. Oh yeah, it's rubber, just if you're wondering. You have your love shape right there, which says Kaido. And yeah, here are the front tires. So yeah, like I said, you have that front body kit, which pretty much looks similar to the police Kaido house. So this one is pretty much the same thing as that, which is cool. And then moving on to the front of the car, obviously you do have your lens headlight details right there. You do have your front grille as always, colored in black. GTR logo right there, Nismo logo down here at the grille. You do have some intakes here and there. You do have your blinkers, and yeah, you do have slightly small carbon front splitter right here, which looks great. Moving towards your hood, you do have 2 stripes right here on the top with a number 0 right here. You do have the interior right here, which is colored in black. Right hand drive, black dashboard, and then you do have like sort of like a gray, matte silver sort of center console, I think. And then you do have your pink colored seats, which are pretty decent if you ask me, pretty much matching with the car, the color of the car. And you do of course have a roll cage, which is colored in red, which I guess symbolizes Nismo with the red at the back, of course, which is unique. Moving towards the roof, you have more 2 stripes again, Kaido house logo right there on the top, and then you have some more stripes at the back right here. Here is the side, pretty much the same thing as the other side, of course. Yeah, basically it's the same thing. Rear window right here, you can see the roll cage right there, and then it says Nismo right here as well. You have your duck tail right here, which just has a stripe right here. Doesn't really have anything written there. The back right here, it does have something written, but it's I cannot really read. I'm not entirely sure what that means. You have your rear lights right here, circular red rear lights right here. Nissan logo, brake lights, your GTR logo. It says Skyline right there. What else? You do have your brake lights and also reverse lights. And of course you do have your red license plate, which I cannot understand what does that mean. And you have your twin exhaust tips on both sides, which are tipped in sort of a chrome silver. Oops. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Towards the base. Pedal base, colored in sort of like this purplish blue color. 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR R34, made in China, used under license. Pretty much simple. So there, present to you the R34, made by Kaido House. Pretty much colored in pink, which is awesome. I really do like the pink color right here, sort of like this metallic matte metallic sort of pink color. which I do like, and a bit of some metal flake here and there as well for the pink. And overall, I really do like the design of the new body kit. It's very nice. Would I say it's better than the previous one? Yes, it is. I really do like the new one here. Less intakes and less holes. But then again, maybe it's not good for airflow every now and then. But still, for the looks, I'd say this wins. The new body kit is way better. I really do like it, and I think it's way better than the previous one, which was the Grady and also the Hornet R34. But yeah, I guess that's all for my review today for the Nissan GTR R34 colored in pink. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.